Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Over here I got a pretty cool device that I've been going to do. Actually, I'm going to use this on the new M2, but today I'm going to do a little short video. Beautiful day out. This is called the Draggy. Let me go get, I'm missing a base plate, so let me go grab it. This is called the Draggy. If anybody is unaware with it, it is a GPS, not a tracking device, but a GPS basically timer. It actually times 0 to 60 times, 60 to 0 times, eighth mile, quarter mile, half mile, and so forth. So I'm going to install this on my bike. I'm going to take a quick little spin and we'll see. I'm really curious what the bike could actually do as far as 0 to 60, eighth mile, so forth. So let me put this on the bike. It's called the Draggy. DRAGY. Really cool. I'll leave a link down below in the description. Check it out. I'm going to be also doing a video. Also check that out. So I just got a remapping of the M2. You're going to want to check that video out. We're going to use the Draggy on that to check out times before and after. 502 horsepower. So let me put this on the bike now. And if you haven't yet, do me a favor, click the subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. And click on that bell on top so you get notified of all upcoming new videos. Draggy. Little GPS unit, Bluetooth. I'm going to install this base plate, which is actually magnetic 3M tape on the back. Let me pull that off. We're going to put this right over here so it's out of the wind. I'm going to put that right there. So you take this little, see, just magnetic. Hope it don't fly off. It seems pretty solid on there. How cool was that? So I have the screenshot of the app itself as I was running, recording actually what was happening on the Draggy app. I have the Insta 360 camera right there of the two, I guess, 3 runs that I took. So I'm gonna put the bike away now, and let me go back and we'll analyze what just happened. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm analyzing all the numbers now, and I just want to show you guys a bunch of information here from the Draggy. As you just seen, I'm editing the video for you guys, and it's absolutely amazing, and I'll tell you guys why I think this is really amazing as far as the engine work that I had done to the bike. So basically, my bike is a 2020 standard road glide, and with the 107 in it, it has a 475 S&S camshaft, full dyno tune by JD Cycle Works in Pennsylvania, has a Screaming Eagle high flow air intake, and it also has a full pipe VANCE and HINES PROPIPE on it with stock baffle, as you guys obviously seen in previous videos. But I wanted to prove it to myself and show it to all you guys how much horsepower. And you could just check out the other videos of the bike build, of all the engine work that I had done. I just wanted to prove it to myself and see what actual numbers that I'm getting. So basically, the first run, as you guys just seen, the first run. Actually, here it is. I'm going to put it right up here in the corner. 0 to 60, 4.2 seconds. Quarter mile, 12.56. That's really good. Here's another picture of a stock road glide, and let me just take a look at it. So stock road glide has 76 horsepower. I'm up at, I believe, almost 116, 117. But let me show you guys this picture here, which I thought it was very interesting. So Cycle World, actually, I'm going to show you this picture right here on the left now. Cycle World did a demonstration about the Indian Challenger and the Road Glide Special with the 114. So here, let me show you guys this picture right here. I just pulled this up. This is online. You guys could pull it up. Road Glide Special. Here you go. 4.86 0 to 60. And this is a 2020 Road Glide Special with a 114-inch engine. 76.1 horsepower. 108 foot-pounds of torque. So I have like 116, 117 horsepower and a little over 120, 122 foot-pounds of torque. So the Road Glide Special 114 motor, 4.86 0 to 60, and a standing quarter mile 13.78. So as you guys just seen, my numbers like blow these numbers out the water. So I'm getting the best runs I had was a 4 point, let me pull this picture up again. I think that says 4.080 to 60. And then a 12.56 standing quarter mile. That's crazy. That's over a second faster in the quarter mile than the Street Glide Special with the 114. So as you can see, the engine work, it doesn't lie, and the numbers don't lie. So that's why I wanted to show it to you guys and prove it to me, because you could definitely tell that the bike is crazy fast for a road glide. But the numbers don't lie as far as in the horsepower and the torque. The Draggy, as you guys could check, it is very accurate. And this, it wasn't even perfect conditions. It just basically stopped on the highway and took off. But I think I did a really good launch and shifting. I could have did better on the shifting. I went up, I hit the rev limiter, I believe, in second and in third, but not too bad. I think all in all, it was really good. I had no wheel slip taking off. So there you have it. I mean, 0 to 60, 4.2. On the other one, 0 to 60, 4.08. And then 2 runs, 12.84 quarter mile and a 12.5 quarter mile. So there you have it. Horsepower, torque numbers do not lie. That's why I got the numbers that I did. That's, I think, pretty amazing for a 900-pound road glide. So that's about it, guys. Numbers don't lie. So if you can, do me a favor, click the subscribe button, give me a like, share the video. This weekend, I'm gonna be doing another ride video. Do not know where to. We're thinking about one place. It might be pretty cool. You might wanna definitely stick around for that one. All right, guys, so stay tuned and catch you guys later on the next one.